Hello guys, this is Kisumu Road. As you can see, it's early morning. As you can see, there are vehicles on the road going towards the Kisumu route. That's Oyugis. Today it's a sunny day, but as you know, it will rain. I know it's gonna rain, but the road is very clear. Yeah, I want to show you the havoc that the rains have caused. This is a small tributary joining the river. This Nyakoi market. This is one of the big markets in the area, and it's operated on Tuesdays and Fridays. As you can see, there are many shelters. Others are makeshift shelters, and others, like that one, is built by the county government of Kisii County. This river is called Omogusi. It joins River Kuja, and as you can see, it's almost breaking its banks. The water is flowing with a lot of mud. So that river now, because of the rains, usually it used to be very green, but because it's raining daily, it's causing havoc. That's why you can see it's very dirty. On the other side, some people have planted sukuma wiki or kales. There are a lot of water, but not like not lift, not this time. Unapeleka wapi? Hmm? Unapeleka wapi? Kufanyia nini? Ha? Kuweka kwa soko? Yeah, I'm talking to this guy here. He's removing glass. He's asking me to help him carry it. Oh, oh, very heavy. Because they want to plant it where they have a makeshift shelter for selling. I don't know what in the market, but this government land, mostly this where they sell cows and goats at the area market, which is called Nyakoi market. On the side we have a garage. Those are mechanics. This one part of Nyakoi market, the lower side, you have the upper side. The markets are held on Tuesdays and Fridays. Many people come here from Kisumu, from Homa Bay, from Nyamira, from Kericho County and Bomet. They bring tomatoes, maize, beans, while others come to buy sugarcane, bananas, groundnuts, and other commodities like onions. It's a big market, and it's also a nice place. As you can see, that truck is coming from Kisumu Road to Kisii. It's a busy road, as you can see, but I think I'll bring us a clip tomorrow on Tuesday so that you can see how big the market is. During market days, there's also traffic, but today there's no traffic. We have another market in Kisii, which is held on Mondays and Thursdays. But here, as I said earlier, they hold their markets days on Tuesdays and Friday. During market days, there are a lot of people at the other side where you can see buildings, and the people come from different parts of Kisii County to sell and buy. Today is fairly sunny. There's a lot of sunshine. But I think sometimes it rains when you see sunshine. You expect rain. The water is flowing at a very high speed. Yeah, it's even carrying shoes. I can see one shoe. That's the shoe. I think you can see it. That one. Yeah, that one is shoes. And open shoes. When we were kids, we used to swim here, and there were no much water than today. I don't know what happened, but even learners could swim. There's a big bridge, and we used to swim and hide beneath the bridge. But not nowadays. Nowadays, things have changed. Very hard to find kids swimming or hiding beneath the bridge as it was during our times. This is a busy road, that's, but not very busy. But as you can see, there are many vehicles passing through this road. This is the road that connects between Kisii and the Kisumu Road. This is a small tributary joining the river. Let me show you. The water is very green from the other side. Once it joins the big river, the water becomes dirty. I can see birds beneath the bridge. I think you have enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ask Mike. Ask Mike, ASKMIKE. We have a target of 1,000 subscribers. Please join and subscribe. Once you are subscribed, please watch and share so that